Welcome to the December 2021 Walthers New Product Express, and it's the holiday season. So I hope that this video finds you in a very happy, festive mood so you can learn all about the Walthers products and look forward to the next few months. Our first subject led passengers across the nation for decades in colorful fashion. Powering their way down American rails from 1949 into the 1990s, EMD F7 diesels were owned by nearly every railroad, and as a result appeared in a veritable rainbow of bold, handsome paint schemes. Like the newest HO scale Walthers mainline model, they were equally at home laboring at the head of both freight and passenger-filled trains. Thanks to a fantastically capable drive mechanism, these Walthers mainline AB sets or single A units have the pulling power needed for long consists. They're available either with factory-installed ESU sound and DCC, or in standard DC with a 21-pin plug for easy DCC conversion. This newest batch comes in 8 different classic schemes, numbered for upwards of 8 units per road. Best of all, they're a fantastic value starting at $149.98 and should be available by early next summer. Looking for something to pull behind those Northern Pacific and Rio Grande units? This next announcement might be just the car card that you were looking for. We have a whole new suite of Bud cars for fans of 4 different railroads: Amtrak, DRGW, Great Northern, and Northern Pacific. Based on 8 different Streamlined cars used from the 1940s into the 1970s, these 4 new paint schemes make building passenger train consists both easy and affordable in each of these 4 beloved roads. With full detailed interiors, tinted window glazing, and a detailed body, these models capture the look of yesteryear while being ruggedly built for years of operation. And thanks to being equipped with a Talgo-style coupler, they're ready to maneuver layouts with as low as 18-inch radius curves right out of the box. Interested in just doing your own thing? Check out our painted, unlettered versions of the cars. They come factory painted for the standard Bud car finish, but are custom ready for your own lettering and decals. For those of you who really want to trick these cars out, there are 2 separately sold detail kits available. Car bodies have molded drill starter points, helping in the effort to add grab irons, while the roof is easily removable for installation of the LED interior lighting kit or passenger figures. Modern HO scale modelers are going to be very thankful to hear about this brand new tooled Walthers mainline product. Newly tooled and rolling into service next summer, the new 25,000-gallon tank car from Walthers mainline makes an excellent addition to freight consists set in the 2000s to today. The model features a separately applied manway atop the tank with a protective top filling housing, hatch, and pressure relief valve. Underbody details include the separately applied wire safety rails, skid-protected bottom outlet valve, and steam inlet and outlet. There's also the brake equipment with cylinder and rods and the train line. Finishing the look are some finely molded factory-installed railings, ladders, walkways, placards, and stirrups. The car is going to be an excellent model, and we'll be sure to share photos of the samples as they come in. Cars of this type handled vegetable, fuel, and crude oil, and more, and were used by most of the major carriers of the day. This run features units decorated for ADM, Cenex, GATX, and Trinity Leasing, just to name a few. The whole batch is limited run, and I would suggest getting your pre-orders in early at your local hobby shop or over at walthers.com. Looking to flex your modeling muscles? We've got just the customizable workout that you need. 14 fantastic new Chooch detail kits are coming your way to ring in the new year. Each of these new kits are made with flexible vinyl, which is easily bent or cut to fit whatever surfaces and application needs you have for your layout or cars. They feature highly detailed designs with realistic texture and color and can be easily customized with water-based acrylics. Stonewall arches, trim, and abutments come in small, medium, or large arrangements. Cruciform modern concrete walls are easy to trim and install to create realistic-looking walls quickly. The same goes for the new distressed concrete roadways, available in medium or large sizes. For those who have open freight cars in need of a load, our new riprap, junk, and scrap loads are not only realistic looking, but they're easy to trim and match to most HO scale open hoppers and gondolas. These new Chooch kits will start to arrive in January, and they're sure to make for a satisfying installation that will improve the realism of your model. Our last announcement is all ready to give you that extra edge that you need. The Walthers layout control system makes turnout control easy. And for those modelers using Circuitron tortoise switch machines, Walthers offers an edge connector that provides plug-and-play wiring solutions. Starting in June 2020, the pin interface on tortoise switch machines has changed. Switch machines produced before June 2020 have a tan-colored PC board, and our existing edge connector works perfectly with those units. That's Walthers Controls part number 942-142. New tortoise switch machines have a green-colored PC board, for which we have designed a new Walthers Edge connector. That's part number 942-144, providing the same functionality and design with an updated interface that allow modelers to continue using plug-and-play solutions on tortoise switch machines. The perfect complement to the tortoise and the edge connector is the Walthers Controls stall motor driver. That's part number 942-161. This component features a built-in DCC accessory decoder and allows the tortoise and other stall motors to be used with the layout control system plug-and-play fascia controls and indicators. Both versions of the edge connector are in stock now, and the stall motor driver will be restocked early in 2022. Thank you for joining me today on the Walthers New Product Express. Again, happy holiday season. All of the products that you saw today are available right now for pre-order at your local hobby shop, or if you don't have a local hobby shop, over at walthers.com. Be sure to hop on board again next month, as we'll have brand new product announcements for you again in January.